Good morning, dear student.
Good morning, sir.
How are you?
I am fine, sir.
Okay, I am also fine. Today, we are going to make you learn question answer of chapter 5, Tansen. Okay, chapter 5, Tansen, your supplementary book and alien hand. Okay, so you have to pay attention. Okay, this explanation. So first question is question number third. We will start from question number third. Question number third is, how do we know that Akbar was fond of Tansen? Okay, how do we know that Akbar was fond of Tansen? Give two reasons. Give any two reasons. Okay, so the first question answer is Akbar would like to call upon Tansen to sing for him at any time during the day or night. During the day or night, at any time. Okay, Akbar call upon Tansen at any time to sing for him, day or night. This is the first reason. And now second reason. At times, he would just walk into Tansen's house to hear him practice and gave him many presents to. Okay, second is at any times, when he gets times, Akbar would just walk to go to the Tansen's house to hear his practice and gave him many presents. Okay, two. And these reasons tell us that Akbar was fond of Tansen. These two reasons gave us that Akbar is fond of Tansen. Okay, now we see question number 4. Question number 4 is, what did the other courtiers feel about Tansen? What did the other courtiers feel about Tansen? The answer is, some of the other courtiers were jealous of Tansen. Because Akbar was fond of him. And often gave him gifts. Okay. They felt bad of his popularity and decided to ruin him anyhow. The answer is, the other courtiers were jealous of Tansen. Okay, jealous of Tansen's popularity. Okay, so because Akbar was fond of him, so they felt bad of his popularity. They felt bad of Tansen's popularity, and they decided to ruin Tansen anyhow. Okay, so this is the answer of fourth questions. And now we will see question number 5th. Question number 5th have two questions. Question number first is, what happens if Raga Dipka is sung properly? Okay. And the second question is, why did Tansen enemies want him to sing the raga? Okay, the first question, what happens to Raga Dipka if sung properly? Answer is, if the Raga Dipka is sung properly, it makes the air so hot that the singer is burned to ashes. Okay, question number first answer is, if Raga Dipka is sung, this song makes the atmosphere environment very hot. That makes result of the singer will also burn down. Okay, and so in this way Tansen will die. Okay, this is the reason the courtiers want to sing Raga Dipka by Tansen. Okay, now second question answer is, Why did Tansen's enemy want to him to sing Ragadipka? Answer is Tansen's enemies wanted him to sing the raga because they knew he was a good singer, and if he sang it well, he would die as he would be burnt to ashes, and they would be able to get rid of him. They wanted that if Ragadipka sang properly, and Tansen is a good singer, he can sing this song properly, and the atmosphere will be hot, and he will die. That is and then he will get rid of them. Okay, this is the reason. And question number, this is the reason for why the enemies of Tansen wanted to sing Ragadipka. Dear student, have you understood this question answer? Okay, now we'll see next question answer in the next day. Until then, thank you. Okay, and this question answer will be your homework. What? Homework to complete this. Okay, to complete this homework and learn. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you.